So welcome back to the second episode of Rock, Paper and Scissor. So in this, we will be discussing about the tech stack in which we have created Rock, Paper and Scissor, as well as the basics of front end, how it's structured, and how what are the components which we have used. So for the tech stack, we have used HTML, CSS, and plain JavaScript. We can even do this in jQuery, even more modern frameworks like React, but yes, we have gone with the vanilla JavaScript. So let's go back to our code. And as you can see, there are three main components. The first one is the scoreboard, second one is the play area, and the third one is the versus board, where you can just see what selections we have made and what are the computer selection. So as you can see, we have three big components. The div, three big divs, which says the scoreboard, the other one says the play area and the versus box. Let's see what we have in the scoreboard. So in the scoreboard, we have two components, which says my score and the computer score. And this is basic styling which we have done in CSS, which you can see in the code pen when you look into it. It's pretty basic. If you know CSS, this is really basic. Okay, let's look into the play area. So this play area has just three components, which are the rock, paper, and Caesar image. But these images work as a button. So once you click on this, there's some process which occurs at the back, and based on that process, we get the score and the highlight. Okay, so as you can see, this image and there are three images, and this div is styled in such a way that you get this nice back shadow. So that's something which is in this component, and the third component is just a versus box. So you see this simple box which says my pick and bot choice. So this component will look at this image container and my choice. So what happens here is if you click on this one, there is an image which changes. So this image is being changed in some way. So that we'll discuss in the when we look at the JavaScript. But yes, I just want to let you know this is what happens. So this is pretty basic. You can look at the code, and if you know HTML and CSS, you can figure out what's happening. And the logic we'll discuss in the next video in JavaScript. So see you in the next video. Thank you.